guys, welcome back to another chop video, and this week I'll be showing you guys how to make carrot cake, so stay tuned. So now we're gonna need about 2 cups of shredded carrot, so I'm just gonna peel them. If it's your first time to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So we're gonna use the grater, so we're gonna use the small side that gives us the shreds. So don't use the big side, this side. And then we're gonna shred about 2 cups. Alright. Alright, so remember to use this side, and we're just gonna shred it. Alright guys, so after fighting with the carrots, this is the end result. Yeah, it's about 2 cups right there. 2 cups. Right here we have our secret ingredient. It's some pineapples. Alright, so in order to keep the carrot cake moist, we're gonna use some canned pineapples in it. So we're just gonna chop it up. We're gonna use 3/4 of the can of pineapples. So we're just gonna chop these up into some small pieces, about that size. So the pineapples are gonna add moisture to the cake meanwhile it's baking. Alright, so there it is. Some nice little dices. Alright, so in a bowl we're gonna add 3 cups of cake and pastry flour. We're gonna add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna add 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna mix them all together. Alright, so we're gonna get 3 eggs, then we're gonna crack them in a bowl. Alright, so after cracking the egg, we're gonna get a whisk and beat them. Then we're gonna add 1.5 cups of brown sugar. Then we're gonna mix it all together until it starts to foam. In total for about 2 minutes, and ensure that you mix it vigorously. We're gonna add the shredded carrot, the 2 cups. So add it. We're gonna mix this. We're gonna add our diced pineapples. We're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. We're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of nutmeg. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Alright, so we're gonna mix this. Add 1.5 cups of vegetable oil. And we're gonna gradually add the flour mixture and fold it in. So ensure it's mixed out properly. So just cut and fold. Cut and fold. We're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so we're gonna pour the cake batter into the baking pan. Alright, so ensure that this is leveled off. Alright, so we're gonna put this in the oven and let it bake at 350 degrees until the toothpick comes out clean.
A few moments later.
Alright, so when you insert a toothpick in the center or a bread knife or a knife, when it comes out clean, it's ready. So this has been baking for an hour, so it's done right now. Clean. Clean. Alright, so I'm gonna cut you guys a slice right now. that. It's nice and hot. As you can see, a beautiful color, and it's spongy. Yep, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have subscribed already, send it to a friend, let them subscribe too. Thanks for watching. I'm out.